Well, how soon should you be starting your PI planning feature readiness for your upcoming PI planning? If that's a question you've ever wondered about, then this video is for you. Hey friends, I'm Ahmed, a scaled agile and productivity coach based in the UK. In this video series, we're covering the PI planning tips to help you have better, more efficient and more effective PI planning sessions. So the question is, how soon should you be starting your PI planning readiness and your feature readiness more specifically? If we take a step back and have a look at the way in which we're looking to deliver value to the market, and the fact that we wish to receive feedback from that and we wish to incorporate that feedback into the delivery cycle so that we can be more responsive and we can be more in tune with what our customers actually want, guess what? It's actually preparation is a continuous cycle, right? It's something that needs to happen continuously. Let me give you an example. You've got your PI planning, you've just run your PI planning event, fantastic, okay? Now what happens is that you've got your delivery teams that are actually building that plan, and they're delivering their value hopefully to the market. And they're doing that continuously throughout the PI. Now, as they're releasing their functionality, what we would like to do is we would like to immediately start the process of receiving and getting that feedback from the customer. How did you find it? What was it? You can actually look at data-driven, and you can actually look at doing polling of your customers as well to see what the feedback is of them using the new product feature that you've actually released. Regardless of the way in which you actually obtain that feedback, we need to make sure that we take that information and we take that information and we bring that into our next program increment. So in actual fact, the way I like to think about it, the mental model that I like to think about it is that your PI planning preparation is happening continuously as one layer, and your PI planning execution is happening again in parallel across that same timeline as well. So it really does depend upon your specific organization, but you do want to take into consideration how long it takes to get your feedback from your customer, how long it takes to evaluate that, and how long then it takes to embed that and bring that into the features, because that's what we need to do to make sure we are on point, we are able to adjust to our customer requirements, and we have the most appropriate features for our next PI planning event. Hope that was useful, and look forward to seeing you in the next PI planning tips video. Don't forget, love learning, keep growing, and don't forget to bring the joy. Till next time.